Hey guys, Happy New Year. I hope you had an amazing holiday. The reason why I wanted to make this video is because I know guys, I haven't uploaded in a little while and that's not like me, but I just wanted to assure you all the channel is alive and well. In fact, more alive than ever because I have so many exciting videos that I'm working on for the new year. So let's have a little update of how I'm getting on with the car and I'll share some exciting plans for 2025. So how are we getting on with the Aston Martin? Well, if you're familiar with myself and my videos, you won't be surprised to know that I still absolutely love this car. It's been incredible since the day I picked it up and it just looks insane. I've just had it detailed, so it's looking extremely shiny and clean. And yeah, even months and months after buying this car, when I get out of my house and then I walk to it and I see it, it still makes me smile. And yeah, I'm just excited. So if you enjoy my exciting drives and this big smile that this car brings to my face, it's going to be there for 2025 because I still love this car. The car has also opened up some new doors for me and the channel as well, which I'm really excited about. So I've joined a local supercar club or group, if you will. And what it is it's a small community in my local area of supercar owners. And wow, I did not expect them to be so kind and so active. Like there's loads of meets, there's loads of events, and guys, the cars that some of these people own are incredible. I mean, we're talking Ferraris, Lamborghinis, McLarens, like next level stuff, you know, cars that I've never even sat in, let alone hold the steering wheel. And fingers crossed, once I get to know these guys a little bit better, some of them might want to be featured on the channel, or we might be able to feature their cars. I really hope there's some way we can integrate this into the channel to bring you guys just some extra special and epic content. I've also got a new camera setup that I'm about to test that I'm really excited about. So I don't know if you guys are familiar, if you've ever been on Instagram or some YouTube videos where people have their cars with a camera mounted on the rear, like on a pole, and it gives this amazing game style third person view of the rear of the car, and you're driving around and speeding around and the camera follows it and it just looks incredible. Imagine this, but with the rear end and the sound from the exhaust of the Aston Martin Vantage. I mean, that is just something. This is the stuff that's in my dreams, and I have just got to get this set up. So what I've done is I've done a ton of research on the best way to do this, the right mount, and I've invested quite a sizable amount of money in this super mount that goes on the back, and fingers crossed it's going to be incredible. I'm thinking we'll have some POV drives where it jumps from my face where you see my view, it jumps from interior shots, and then it jumps to the back of the car. It's going to be like a whole dynamic driving experience. And if you like my driving videos, wait till you see these. One thing I've always wanted to do is use my channel for the good and try and give back as much as I can, because I'm so thankful to have this channel and it's allowed me to have this car, and I just love making videos for you guys. So I reached out to Prostate Cancer UK, which is a charity that helps out with men that are struggling with prostate cancer, but also raising awareness because you may have it and you may not realise. So I wanted to make a video with them, and I thought, what can I do that will raise awareness for this, but will also be entertaining and exciting? And I thought, how about a challenge? And what I've come up with is, can I sleep in this car? Can you live in an Aston Martin? So I'm going to be doing a fun video where I'm going to film the whole day of me attempting to live in this car and actually sleep in it. It's going to be really challenging, but I think it's going to be a really fun video, and I'm going to have the motivation of working and supporting with a great charity. So guys, this video is coming soon. I actually want to film it in the winter because I think it will be even more challenging, which hopefully will be more entertaining for you guys. So we're taking one for the team, but I am really excited to be working with my first charity here on the channel. So guys, as you can see, I'm incredibly excited about 2025. There's even more to share. So another thing I've always wanted to do, and I'm finally going to do it this year, is I'm going to get some of you guys on the channel. I want to get viewers on the channel with their cars. I want to share them and their amazing cars. I've got an idea for a really cool video series where you come on the channel, you introduce your car to me, we go out for a drive, and then at the end of the video on each one, I'll take you guys out for a drive in the Vantage. And I think this could be a really fun opportunity to get to know my viewers more and just make some amazing videos. So If anyone here has a cool car that they want to feature on the channel, then I'll leave an email on the screen, drop me an email and we'll get this all set up. One last thing, because I know you guys are probably watching this and thinking, he is chatting a lot and he's way too excited about this small YouTube channel, but that's me guys. I love all this. I love the cars and I love making videos. I'm of course going to be making more tips and tricks videos because these always tend to do well and I always get great feedback from them. So a video I'm actually working on at the moment is 16 tips and tricks to take care of your car. Basically, if you've just bought a lovely nice car or you already own one, these are going to be my tips to really take care of it and keep it like brand new for years to come. So that's a fun one I'm working on. Looking forward to finishing editing that one up and getting it for you guys. But yeah, so much exciting stuff in the works, guys, and I hope you're as excited as I am. So guys, that's just a sneak peek at some of the exciting plans I have for 2025. This is just a teaser. There are so many exciting videos we've got planned for 2025, but I don't want to spoil them for you guys. So I hope you all have an amazing year and I can't wait to see you on the next video.